is Rose Eje. Yeah. Nyame ye. Ampa, God is good. 28 after 3. 106.3 Adom FM. And I was Sugusu out here. Wednesday afternoon. It happens to be the 7th of July. 2021. Every Saturday, kwa kopem sebebo enwenu sia. Abusia eyo fie kwa so na ye de brel. Era asese de ato ana. Onso utie adwumedie. Nyame onkoso ana onsha no ndom onye okese. Onka ho no mbɔ ho ban. Abre ni abre nyina. Ewo Yesu de ka se amen. Afa joining me on Facebook. Patro bra Facebook sisia. Na the woman say, yes, you ready now? See, the videos of our time. There, shall say videos of our time. Any day, share you ready now? Say, to join me on Facebook. Now, also, wait me share and that video I you know. Also, wait me share be. Yeah. A friend Jerry Justice, Papa Bill Swa, African Wa, James Star, Jiko so ha. Into so what we did not just say no, I don't know. Quickly, I come for a floral disposable handkerchief. Abusia used to be that a papa. A boy. Bibika Krebia or Pepaya, no way you are to attract to Tembia now on what needs come pa. Sounds a floral toilet roll, floral multi-purpose paper towels, and your floral table napkins, and you want a box tissues, so a home. Nina available at market baby. Yes, open the door pan one Delta Paper Meal Limited on 0243 033 033. Do be on here, be no Sabeka. Afe fast dama dominion about powder. Yeah, and also airborne what me build a strong immune system. Na akhoitia diabetes stroke. Na mo spine mutaye mo ye 2 to 2 pa ojo ho enye. Afe wa kidney na say heart related problem bia so no eboa ayifio. Na say normalize blood pressure no ama. Ubenya bia ato ewo na bo ahye heba. Hallows Heba, King's Walk Heba, Little George Health Shop, Community 5, Tema. And our favorite patch ventures a Honina, a BL. And yes, our Concoko also share Angels Dominion Bar Center. Which means our phrase 0543 158 195. And our phase 020 429 6449. Dominion about powder, your number 1 immune booster. And almost was a pa. Say when kind who you be so. I bring na. Name videos of our time. I had the air by kind courtesy Aquatabs water purification tablet. O madama and on cream din. I found what say for Emrewo. Aquatabs water purification tablet. The patrol we no what the better zoom a bit dissolve you zoom kama na fe kumkum wa bia wo zoom wa untimi fa wani ehunu microorganisms ahodo ni nyina ye wo ye zoom se be ya betimi asi eye waterborne diseases ahodo ni nyina anokwan. Yes, etibomodin apedi a kira kwan sanso na ye wo eye Aquatab food safe enso ewo ho. And they wakodwam akoto fruits and vegetables they are you know. And first work and ho say wow ho ntia clean to be ho dey fair but they ho na wontimi for wani hunu na doors no it use Aquatab water Aquatab food save ibi na odi abomoden ahoro fefe kama na me hu nyina ate say the be amoa ketenkete en for yani hu omo ye wo yen fruits and vegetables hu nyina no obetimi aku omo kra ansa na wadi aduane no. So we pay a check. Chemical shops, outdoor supermarkets, and pharmacies. Aquatab water purification tablet TB and our face so Aquatab food safe. Now near Busuan now they are bomb hobby and crack to FDI which you want to say imuye. Or on crying now per the door power phrase 020-9077-726. Kumasi phone phrase 050-169-4275. Now for more Kofurudi I'm phrase 0244 593-381. do be on ye be and do Zabeka. What is it? Kasi ato me na minya me ma free mo asema tade foforo J, what's it? Beautiful song. I feel more on Facebook says here. Videos of our time now and young quay anymore. Ansana may yatch the one. Make how say nay. Wouldn't say, oh, baby, said you may be a quas and near cassette. Oh, I tempted in a drew. So, oh, let's pause for some refreshment. Most will be anywhere seriously. Refreshment moments that matter. Obi a venue room. Obi a radio. And your name, whatever you're doing, wherever you are, Charlie, just take a moment to refresh yourself with an ice cold Pepsi, Mirinda, 7up, and now Mountain Dew at just 1 cedi, 20 pesos only. Yo. Refresh on kaka. 1 cedi 20 pesos in tea. But the actually back on yes. Pause to refresh with your favorite tasty and rewarding ice cold Pepsi, Mirinda, 7up, or Mountain Dew at just 1 cedi 20 pesos only. From any retail outlet, be a because you deserve a true refreshment now. Yes, Pepsi, same great taste, same great price of 1 cedi 20 pesos per bottle. Remember, Pepsi, Mirinda, 7up, and a Mountain Dew in now a good quality international brands. Okay, young call Facebook not me yet. Real call kakra. Real call kakra. Now in twice or Nabi Ajwa Amo. And we Amo. Was a bride Jerry and I won me and was Thomas. Teria Dachi. I say thank God for another day. Afe Ekuya Abigail, I say good afternoon, beautiful family. Beautiful people. I'm sure Facebook was Gladys Night Tete. On also then the other two. I say good afternoon, Brad Jerry. Now Faye upon Charles. I also say good afternoon. Yakoya anymore Gertrude Nimosen. I'll say happy birthday to me. Oh, it's your birthday today. Happy birthday to you, Gertrude. May God bless you, yeah? I'll say Obiba Kizi. I'll say hello, Brad Jerry, watching you live from Laboni Coffee Shop. Greetings going out to Obiba. Obiba to your Dawase. Edubuahen. Also say hello, good afternoon, Brad Jerry. I'm watching you live from Ashiye. Afei trust ne akwa animu bi emu Nana Showboy on the nsemu na obo a na abrokwa Victoria Vic no ono ni moji no de abeto on the odi ase o enye easy oba ya say good afternoon and afei trust ne akwa animu bi emu Christiana Amoa Odum ono so edi asapa Mary Amaya say greetings to everyone. It's Wednesday, Jerry. Yes, it's Wednesday and we're keeping it flashy, you know what I'm saying? That's what we do. Mami Amoa also said Brad Jerry. Oh man. I do why I say Brad Jerry, I love you so much. God bless you. God bless you too, bro. Now for your queen will be more. And I do why I know. Anyway, me I do I know. Gladys will say, Anton. Honestly, say good afternoon, Jerry. We thank God for a new day. May the day end in praise for all of us. Yes, that's all we're praying for. I do what I say you do. Anastasia Boateng, it's all about love, baby. Dinah Cote, honestly, say Jerry. Please, today is my birthday, and also a happy birthday to you, Dinah Cote. It's more moody birthday in money list or Kojo Fojo or the Shekron Kron, and I celebrate another day. So happy birthday to all of you. Felicia Affo, honestly, good afternoon, Brad Jerry. I see truth. I'm so say it is true that the Lord is good. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, and I say thank you, Jesus. Christiana Amwa Odu. I say, Brad, you do all. Judith, you ain't you are. I say, I am here. Oh, say wow, you do. Obapa. I think. Hope I got your name right. I say, Brad, today I am the first person you ask. How come my current message is bare 1,000? I've been able to do the first person. Cynthia Amwa said, good afternoon, Brad Jerry. I love listening to you too much. Okay. I also love it when you listen to me too much. Yeah. So keep listening. Yeah. God bless you. Pastor Mario and Swalandi. Pastor Mario, yeah, dear Paul. He's always on Facebook with us. Yeah. Pastor Mario, big ups to you, yeah. Also, good afternoon, Brad Jerry. My Joe Suminia, Akosia, Ohema, Onoswasi Kwekuni, yes, Mia Mini, Abena Adepa. I say, hello, Brad Jerry. You are looking good. Good afternoon. Medase, Afe Betty, TD, I say, good afternoon, Brad Jerry. My Joe Suminia. Ekuya Oscar also says, Jerry, good afternoon. As for today, read my message, you. Hey, when you. Bishop General said, please. I know local reggae will jam. And then when they open local reggae, Kelly Smith. I said, today is my birthday. Hey, I'm on food on birthday. So happy birthday going out to you, Kelly Smith. And Bismarck Martins. I'm Brad Jerry. I'm enjoying the show. Charlie, more messages. And your Ruthie, I say, good afternoon, Jerry. I thank God for his protection upon me and my daughter. Now, face Cecilia Awidi, I say, glad seeing you. Glad seeing you too. It's me who you. You message me about Pazon. I say, good afternoon, Brad Jerry. Video not ready. Okay. I was video not ready. Enti Roko Roman friends ya na message na endorse papa. Me kasa me kan ni na no sia me bo me apon kra ni But my info from Joseph Chinonso also a birthday and any patcho also happy birthday to you. More mudim birthday na happy birthday going out to all of you. Obi say Jerry, you skipped my message every day. I skip your message every day. Your message as well my case. Didn't grow about Ernest Inshaba. Ernest Inshaba. I see you skip my message, but message now soon I'm making. Abuja, na share and video no patcho. Join me on Facebook. Unyamba wa. Dom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Na and videos of our time, and share sa video no. But my free MTN 7 country said there's good news for small to medium scale business owners. Nina say nay with the SME Plus. Yeah, MTN akofadia but no bit me manage all your operational costs in communication. NASA service way it allows you to choose from affordable packages. Now why enjoy talk time, SMS, data, and a business content all bundled in one subscription. Now the other exciting news net Shikran say Utimi Inya free on net calls every Monday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. So simply dial *5060# to sign up today. Now bring some primo eyepa. Better yet ubitimi afre and I will send a WhatsApp their call number way so 0244 308 111 for further information. Then you stay connected everywhere you go. Abusia bra Facebook no so na share video na ye no videos of our time. See yeah na ye pray hu asem we maka wa hada metaika say should God decide say onye hwe wagya ye paman atemu bi ani ba bia wo ye boni wo ye na wo de mu amontra omai mu montra wias na mo ye de behwe yen nipa yen yanka say be say wias ya enye ye ne boy. Yes, we will just destroy the world. Kekese. Just say, "Harry, you suban suban and yaditi iriasimu." That is why I am always worried when the issue of fixing country and fixing people near the other amount for kankaza, because see, everything has to do with emra. I best chane kete na timia achichi nipa. Said be nipa sabi enim kwase ase because we nipa din se hu ujai nipa ma nipa freedom baby nipa din se hu brutal na da bia ya me kan me say abrofo no yes they are better off than us but system now woman no permit ne ma ne ye niam bi because o yes ade na emra ne ni bedi yes we are hide see etwi fam ko ba ni ti da bia na ye bre. And right, irrigated sports. We are talking about projects near the Naya Kofa. Your friend is saying, or Fanko, Debbie, Pukuase, Quay or my near there. And I made mention of some few projects. We are commissioner matches, amount you use to Batobe Kosheno, not a 100% completed. Now, baby, kitty biaka umuania there. But who makes sure Sanima we nano? They are done right. She bunwane a construct kwan bi o area o locality baby na manfo ni age ya begu ye kwan so aman in these 6 months na kwan na sati tutu biem how enya kwan ya na na nsa pe be yi na ya ye kwan fun near the amount. Ya juma phone near the amount. All because ubi pesika de guni butum. It to spend and do something quality for ye na ye benefit no. Na sika no ya pai bi nkwanta near ye juma pacha basa. Me pesa share video bi na wie. Jeko de for video ne bra na ekuna na ye kan wasem. Ade a ekoso he just ya o na ko bi kan say na ndi before crowd dey be den was so hey the other day I say we dey tell money Abraham again. I watched a documentary me refi country one of the European countries na road na say ekwan na say o enye say aye but I say any more trouble can't mean for so. But the surface of the road now shall say one say coin almost fast one need baby I say Ghana as a baby or share ufi Flagstaff house now quartered 7 hour coin one way crowd still and be from them a coin am one say as there be a num so near one president so far a time a coin I watched a documentary one of the European countries a coin surface near Basabasano and decided on bear coin but almost that stretch no a very busy stretch pa kase breaki near ye kwan na ebe ha man for traffic congestion and the beba near the nebe hadwin so they decided to work on the road at night and calculate calculation bibia mu say e kwan we so say the heavy traffic e was no say ama kwan na nye very thick and of the highest quality so a na ye ni Russia be yisu kwan na be san say sisia enti anadwona no mo ye mo cast no mo ye no mo san be ye another layer no mo ye another layer omo ye san se don benya quality no mo pe no ade hye no mo ye kwan na wi na ye road markings bibia na cars nam so cars akesi na nam so quality road. I'm like hwe kru mu a if I watch a video na this happened in one Nigerian village bi where e kwan a ya construct ya kwan wi ye na no and when you put the senior code, ordinance says so no our kutan. Baby, I had to a quan I say, gata on chenchena. Concrete idea says, ordinance ni fingers, bare hand say, ni fingers, or the fru say, I'm not quite new fru. Meanwhile, the coin my contract. So when you put the seni, you're trying to castle on your quanu. Would they just watch the video? So the guy was spinning us, how? I branch and all your crowd, but danos, until we are seeing until quite bare hands, the fingers or the sock when they no why or why not until quite yes a car me fasuni. Now she baby I construct I almost edges one eye a day concrete I know. Or the sack say ya na concrete ni need gusa. We ye call an ayeba. Ye the subai say etna. Ye be ye den na yet mere tumpon a be mine. Ye bet then yet me akoyenim. Ye hu kwasi bro ni dia na ani age omo ayade wo de hwe baby abrantie ni sannam yi. This is supposed to be concrete ayaye at the edge of the road ya construct but hwe ordinance keke. Oh God, have mercy on Africa. Why na exercise mentality kakaba na we dey but you see whoever constructed this no whoever did this no obeko obian kanhwe but elsewhere you be punished for this and the contractor be attention so who say ya obi say no ono onkoye bi ochina. That is why I keep saying say until say emra be yadwuma na obi tia mra na emra be din pepepe no say ya na ebeko so abresa. Look at this e kwan ya hwe concrete work ayayo. And so ni put the senate in sakeke and what media bubu ad nefu no we ninsa sakeke o what me say I saw the paint be now fast to say the ad near concrete no meanwhile nya concrete papa bia na why into a jade no ho ensuo to ya na ni na besen so na it rain heavily and then they do what the any brofo akese camper. You were not expecting that volume of water at that part of the road. Omeba be come ça sisi a comfort kwa de be say ayiru mi afuru mi on be keka brofo gum se sia nom de abrabra so and then they go ye nyom hwe ye kromu aso saa e kwan bebre amafo ye na say hweni na say meanwhile there are some roads in this country ye nyi no na yehu se saa kwan no wo ho enne saa kwan no guso ho aka tibi fa so meyeyi but in our time recent times me ya wo mu yi e kwan bi no mo ho no aye construct a o mo ye ne ye ni tua se na no de ya na no mo ye enne ya san se kura a wo de ka fa wo nye bi why ni edi ho aboro sei bibi mai ni edi ho aboro saa esan se emranye obi a hwe nti no saa na ebe koso aya but like I always say se emran count na etwe waso yi a enya ade obi a be sei aden and ye di ho abrosa wutumi say che say I say jama before now because we the menu can we Nigeria there na menu can ade we ya video ya hwe abranti Nigeria ni a che say ni area e kwan ya be construct no ene so oda so ye hwe no na de ni ene watwa video ato so ye hwe ne nsakeke wu ene ode wawa ade no sa ene ma we na because ye hu bi o ye mamu ya bia ye be ye kwan ye nsuo to ya aka kese mienu miensa fa so sesi a na kwan na say enti ye ni say ni ye ni say ni na kwan na say ebi ye ni e na asi Nigeria yi enye say ya nhwe ye ni asesa amfiri sa suman ye tin hu ya say ya na be ya because we say obi ye bibi na de na enye se mra na bi ni kromo o mra ni bebre ena na no ada na ma because kro ye team obeka se mra bi anim but eche wansa na be say won but you see mra no won so e fanya adwuma and obia ye de ope e wo kromo a obia ye de ope keke because woni wan ya untimi nya ne hwe enra mi kofie trot driver di matem wo ayi baby a club ya na o munye bi your friend was boomerang yeah oh almost an odi bi adfo car price traffic light na so na because there was traffic and ade na so green meanwhile traffic no we yanim sa anti ntimi nko but yenye part na so green all right o yentimi nko and ye dinya mu sa enti e kakra na sha say movie kakra na me approach traffic light na and ade na start movie just when me be part traffic light no na ye part one sign so red Adena so red as say me gina. Truck driver no machine bomb me aben but first so I coming. Me wa Adena so red. Ne na sem nyina ne say when ours was green na de ne nkonti say you do or na Adena so red I should keep going. And I'm like master but that thing is red. Oh jawasem mo yam hu minim do. I didn't tell me green I ntimi go. I'm saying look at this mentality and he was insulting me for doing something right. And you get frustrated because if everybody is saying this side I said that one are the odd one. When you are trying to do something right, you become the bad one. That is the kind of country we live in. Why can't we do good? Why can't we do the right thing at the right time? Keke. Now you pray who say or maimu. There's another video behind so African countries EBS that be a man for some video no man for shall say share and Nepal almost say a Ghana a friend saying you want why Dubai when they call you but there be that video by African country Africa yan and Nuswesi police knew or Jeko was a video now fat one uncle for me what the mama police knew he's on duty out is all diet traffic and Africa o John am so nya ho ejuan phone ata na so a call nkrofo bi so timoto bike so omdu wa no mu hwim police ni phone aha hwe Jeko thank you I wish him phone if I try bra Facebook be all the phone ko e o mo hwim phone every police o ya ho hwie nye utumi ka ko chezi moto na where are you mama nah this is bad but your video na show them ejiave o he ya wie nye yi dina say o san trust na order hit traffic meter ni phone dey corner dada how Wait. Go for Timoto no so. All my time no use the phone time na so gina one. Him. Yeah. Already we are about now. A dream. I was Malcolm. Some in country say the Malcolm supermarket. What you say? Now bigger and better. Just walk into any Malcolm supermarket. Oh, now wide range of products. Yeah, bit me at all. Free. Yeah, what I say? Now, I know any one-stop shop. I just say supermarket. Papa, bit me and yeah. Bibia winye bia free o tia na wa hye no so na wa room Malcolm branch bia na won say the Malcolm supermarket papa bibia winye bia o Malcolm where Ghana shops. And talking about shopping no abusia obedidi and they Mastercard say kan cho say wo Mastercard utimi yebu kama bia utimi de fa edidi ma hoto na when you dine locally obwa now I support small businesses. I mean, no sweat me to Ponty. Mastercard no on Kwadi Abusia. Allow yourself now and take you on a priceless journey into the fresh, colorful, and exciting world of dining. Now, Bibia sweat me because food is beyond what we eat. It's an experience. So go on and bring your taste buds to life with Mastercard and start something priceless. And also, kakra, no. And then they go and say, more say, the Odia Bandi, Muye. Nina and say or more higher grade fuel papa ya chese no gu kan mu a o how be any HD what I say boy ye kama pa na ye wo mu aso to 2 Goil Super XP Ron 95 and ye wo Diesel XP and so na ya 45 with the XP3 additive multifunctional and enhancer I no eboa ema more efficient eco-friendly na ye turn at no extra cost tipo modern amounts and count the nika say every Goil fuel station bia across the country are available not just selected Goil fuel stations now also call Joe there fill up with Goil higher grade fuel na ajibe bia Goil good energy Goil ya dim papa I say whether no so there were need to I say we are in Bosca Crasana. You remember Paba. Keep moving forward ever, backwards never. You need to be brave, be confident, be determined, and most of all, be joyful. And give yourself that special treat. Our brown second Puma drink. Now Puma drinks you want in cola and a fey orange. The onsabe can be here. Make sure it is chilled. Now also I enjoy. Now I feel good. Come pa. It is just 1 city, 50 pesos. Puma drinks, a whole new vibe. They are available in major distribution and wholesale points across the country. To draw Pano, phrase 0262 351 251. Nations away another quality product. Ye Fikasa Precon Company Limited. Gratway FDA I mushi mwaji to say ampa emuye. Abusha, just a minute now for yansha somewhere ne. You do 3 on 4. I will feel quite so stay right here.
Honey. It's office sa unkuana when him Aquataps full safe and I had nini about udini de piano. Aquatap full safe. And I'm a door home. I send away you.
Almost also Aquataps water purification tablets. Omwa, omude ebulu munsio, efomunsio, surunsio, any issue, and one tea, a dear one da dejuma, emfa or how be a embrace. Osanko de yisud mapomudin so yepa. And until amato Aquatap surface disinfectant. Yet me de paper surfaces beer, Emma and what say. Nunti hotels, restaurants, hospitals, sachet water manufacturers, and if you feel Aquatabs Abama mo say, Ebejing, it will form for Health Top Up Services Limited. It was 050-169-4275 Kumasi, and 020-907-7726 Accra, and 024-459-3381 Koforidia. Ubenya Aquatabs were pharmacies, drugstores, and supermarkets. FDA Aji Ejedi Kratui Atum.
Yaba! Yo, runs a Dawson into we hear engine oil, papa, wow. Any, that Phoenix oil say diachro. And fear the brain, Phoenix oil, engine and I swab. I'm a heavy duty machine, say, they mining, power, any marine, do me to me, Juma, yes, and yes, say, dear, you want 5, 4, 1, need 20 liters, more commercial, any private cars. Ya said that the additive papa in your mape, the moon are fryer. Phoenix oils who engine, move boho by na sell cool no kama. You want the petrol, ni diesel, ni was a dafom. For 0544 338240. Phoenix Oils, Boss Su Oil. Marine,
MTN spin the wheel radio. It's simple. Get up your airtime. Now text the spin. Echo 5040. The winning price. Simple. And I bet me we need to do 30,000 Ghana cedis. What's me be? And you text the VIP. Echo 5040. Then you 10 points to be on peace. So,
MTN. Everywhere you go.
Many heartaches.
Did you really think that you could keep your new wife a secret for the rest of our lives?
Many headaches. 3 friends. To have and to hold. A brand new Ghanaian series exclusive to Aquaba Magic. Channel 150 on DSTV every Monday and Tuesday. Get a fully installed DSTV for only 169 Ghana cedis with a month's access subscription and upgrade to the Compact Plus bouquet with 70 Ghana cedis. Aquaba Magic. Welcome home. Only on DSTV.
This is Adoma FM and this is Jerry Justice.
And it's a new one from Lizzie Intiamwa. Yes. Wait. Jerry at the sign we a King Billy inside Tema Community 10. A happy birthday do belated and come Geoffrey attack. You know I know meaning say attach dia. The way to Mr. Brofopani to attach. Tema 56. Please, a happy birthday going out to Madame Mary Otiwa, Tema Community 2, BBC. May the good Lord bless her and give her all her heart desires and long life as well. I love her so much. From Vivian Ban, Duako, hope say Udine sa. Vivian Ban, that is saying, or your madam for Zumi Hunida. And then me call baby or come to 2. And I'm say, hey, shop here to us why late you are. Uncle Humsa on our buy now. Said it, hey, brother, you said your powers and more unfortunately near around. And I'm say, and no bar Monchian Mamati. Now, Moman frame in Ayankasa. And she called me and said, Madam Baby, Madam Baby, Namaya Mama. It's Vivian. Thank you so much for the love. Why? Yamisha. Don't shake so say, Jerry, happy birthday, do belated. And come Margaret of Fair. Bensco 94-year group. Channel Power. I'll say around West Hills Mall. say, Jerry, trust you keeping well. Yes, the grace of God is keeping me. Mrs. Angelica Ayanfo of Community 7 PIWC says a big thank you. And please, today too, I am here for another birthday dedication. This one is going out to Francesca Akosia Inti, an old student of a new Presbyterian Senior High School. She is part of the 92-year group. All we say to her is to age gracefully and enjoy her day in a grand style. 1992-year group members, Great and Sek, Nayede Emmanuel from Asantewa Mante Pimpon. Okay. Good afternoon, Jerry. Charlie, I did listen to you. And I'll see you soon. Royal Diadem. I'm yet local footwear. Come on, pa. Oh yeah, Royal Diadem. They are very good. One for Bobby, I am nice. When one in local. Royal Diadem for. Oh yeah, next show, sir. I must say, Jai. Who's on Nasi Trap Brightons near there. I'm a boy, Juma Bruta. Customized. To both and Pabuan was a washer baby cribs over there. Jerry Bossa near there. I need me dear Bohama. Omo Bruta. Check them out on Instagram. Royal Diadem Footwear. Young boy and support local businesses. What I say. Happy birthday going out to Reverend and Mrs. Anoche of Aguna Asante. You are 86 and 75 years respectively. It will be beautiful, Paul. Elder Bako Ewoma, sorry. On the dickness. Bako Omu na Omu on birthday the same day. It will be in the area. Yes. Very nice, pa. It will be Reverend and Mrs. Anoche Amowo Aguna Asante. Obakwedi 86 and there, and Obakwedi 75 and there. Omu celebrate on birthday. Our wife for Bemanedi 86, Obanedi 75. Imuye papa. From Ricky Anoche. Also wish him a happy birthday. And it's your birthday today, Emilia Akiri. I hope I got your name right. Or UMB, Airport City Branch. It's your birthday today. Happy birthday going out to you. Enjoy all the goodness that comes along with this celebration. And may the good Lord bless you. This one is coming in from Maud to you, Mrs. Letitia Mensah. Simen Kancho say Nyamin Sharpa on your special day. Afe yaboko na yenhwe ene asem ayede etu yehofo ewo fie kwanjumedi so wa Adom 106.3 FM na ni nyina ne se adofo bi nwa dama na ada ne da nyina no wotimi eyeye mwa ema yiti asem wa etu yehofo dwumedi so eno ene Phoenix Oil afe DBS Industries ena MTN. Yes. Yero mo ase se dani de nyina o kan ho ma yetimiti asem we de tuomfo ntipacho yenti de di so na yemfa tuomfo awie. Pacho ne asɛm wa di tu ye ho fo e wo fie kwanzo me di esu yi asɛm tiawa na no ada me ne wo cha asɛm bi sɛ hope tina mi bisa sɛ hope ye kan twi mu sɛn na no mo se ani da so sɛ rasta sɛ sa na mo kan na mo se bi ye hwe bibia akra na hope there, we shouldn't lose hope. We should keep that, because when we lose it, it means that we are doomed, not just a seat. And I am talking to you about ideas. Toda no etimi boa ema utimi pem konkan e wa setrem pachoti and asem no because we say ideas can be life changing. Ideas isusuye de it can be life changing. Sometimes all you need to open the door is just one more good idea. Etoda we die na obetie simu no. Etoda ade na wo ye na obe succeed no. Just one good idea is all it takes. Ebia wa try why ye bia ne ade why rely on people go for na me wo fa beboa me o papa beboa me oh my boss say go do this oh why ya also do one ne ye bia but baby I wanna now ade ne fine maybe just that one good idea I bebo trim say pa na obetu so anamo no na edwesi uye yum netimi aboa na wafam netimi aboa no adi nkunim netimi aboa no succeed. So don't joke with ideas, but take note to say obetimi ama bad idea esusu ye de bone ye no betimi de wakọ say yim. That is why Assembly Catcher say one good idea ba ko pe edimu ebetimi asesa wabrabo nyina e de amaw enti aya wo tena se onsusu ede ne sen ideas be na ya ba utrim in your quiet time wo dwen ade a pese oye se obe ideas be na ya ba utrim. If a bad ideas na ba utrim a se sanu free ene bompa esere ade se omwa na etimi enya good ideas I betimi dem faso dem apa abrel na ebia so afefo so, because ideas can be life changing, and sometimes all you need to open the door is just one more good idea. Medawase bebre. Don't joke with ideas oh. Unyo bi or ye good or timi more ideas will be timi will be trase. Just 5 minutes. I sat down with Prophet Sifas Kwame Pega Tamaklu. Papa utie mi ewie mi chiao. He invited me some time ago. Yeah, the na also member office near Betnase. And he told me something. That idea the man shared with me when I was leaving him. Na me dream. Me drive go back in. I was just thinking. Like wow. And it has been very, very helpful. Utimi obi tnase. Obetimi akasem ba ko pe bi acho that one good idea. The effect it can have on your life. Charlie, and funny agro. So if you have people around you, people like that around you, cherish those people. And do away with those people man bad ideas. They be on the agree on the baby biana. They do cause him. They do run away from such people. Yeah. And those who can help you with just one more good idea. Stick to those people. MTN said there's good news for small to medium scale business owners. Now we know our friend MTN SME Plus. Sa SME Plus you are there by a more kwenya ma ultimate manage all your operational costs in communication. It simply allows you to choose from affordable packages. Now I enjoy talk time, SMS, data, plus business content, all bundled in one subscription. The other exciting news I can want to say, wow, Emma saying free on net calls every Monday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. When you want, go on and dial *5060# to sign up today. And yes, Fred, and I'll send the WhatsApp for 0244 308 111 for further details and stay connected everywhere you go. As they do from a Phoenix oil papa pa yeah ne unya bigu kan mu a oh yawa be just a problem bia ni o udi gu kan mu eboa ma car no engine no enya hoden mapa ni senti ni say car no engine running na a clean engine no na a protected engine no na a sign a cooling engine no crash and the car amount available in petrol and diesel variants. Nti bomoden apebia e chia kwan. Ebo nso de da form pa odi toto amount for oil mtonton wen no kran yokutu yi. O pede do afre 0544 343 674 and now 0544 338 240. Phoenix Oil, Bossu Oil. Afe DBS Industries and so at HTB. And I found kama yede afutui ebrel. DBS say and fed bian ko board dinosaur and sound the roofing sheet na boso. Anything wa kofa losing trusses deaba. Etwitwa na kama da so pepepe. Baby nkoso nya baby to say the nnuane timi ye no. We na perfect pa. Na a light in waiting and fat pressure image na wo dinosaur. We so dey say dua na emware. Nso toguso awia bono unya ready fa so the chance be boss kra na odi kan ayi guguso a nso beto awia boss de tia ne tie enraste eno a nkankan emerime pro patiase ija tum kra nhye on de me pachi sa ne tia ne timo sa tipe bi achi akwa ne bo no so nye den na yen sortew patro me achi akwa on the expenses road ufi so na wadu papa restaurant e won kran ha obetimi afre be ba site bitimi be twa free estimate amount aden 0240 844 444 mo amukuma so be free 050 600 4141 na takrade for free 050 600 4242 na ya sortim na bibia so akoyi kama e dia mamuna abusu a wutie me dia gusu a wutie e yo fie kwan. Of course your own show on Ghana's #1 radio station. Na the omu say baby aduai no e be bom modern an ya bawrem na ya yen ntem ne ate ense fiu na achi unze na we dey the rigi back between but say Scott etimi trase na enei around the world in 5 minutes with Scott or the brain ayesiwa romantic siwa hey siwa Mini akwaba
yenu ya brafeni
na what to say
Yesu adom de aka ni check balance na
ye da Yesu ase balance ne de me ho me kakra na
na sen ya ko Nigeria se me Monday me catch you say TB Joshua the late me ko ne ye
okay
yes
okay
me de ho ensa mo bebre
sure
Brother is so ho ye de
me ho ye pa adom ni TB bia fine pa
Brother
ye
and there area enumri me pese Ghana ni bia beti asem am beki
okay
Brajeri can I tell you something?
Go on.
Good.
Yeah.
Brajeri.
Yes boss.
Do you know that I'm asking you Brajeri do you know that
okay
some girls are using saliva to make a way where there's no way? Only legends will understand.
Fasiwa.
Do you know that? But do you know that?
Fasiwa. I go you. Wait there. I say wow. Fasiwa.
Me too so be cause oh man, tia some more can.
I go you.
Brother Ray. Yes.
Why me na show? Gazi, on be show bruta.
Asma me kai. Baby ateba mo ntia se. Na odi me say o be tia se.
Oh yeah, ya for tia se no say. Ebu piro no.
Brother, you know something?
No. Tell me something.
Me too man me nyinafo. Don't take relationship advice from your mother if you don't know your father. We
to it. Come and give me power. Don't take relationship advice from your mother if you don't know your father.
Don't take it.
Because one who father and the one who how your mother related to him. It will be true.
As a brother, you open to the moon. Open to the moon. Brother.
Obia sent a message there. I see Jerry, why? Me, I didn't get it too. You didn't get it there.
Something I make us a baby. I saw make our first one today.
Okay, you see, Yenchim. But would they repeat yourself? But first one, I first one. I bet what I pension. When I say you have to tell me, Yenchim. Oh, the way I mean, come you there was I come you. Messi, repeat yourself for the
I will repeat.
Yes.
Ghana Ninti. Messi Bradley.
Yes.
Do you know that? Some ladies are using saliva to make a way where there is no way.
If you know, you know.
If you know, you know.
And only legends will understand.
Yeah. Mkwalana ho pro mama tiasie. Sanati. Papa so sa ono do tiasie o.
O papa mi o se. Wa bom degree. Do tiasie. Okay, your friend is Zangba King.
Brother,
yeah.
Catch a man,
Sandy, I see you or say, Achisa.
What okay, and Brother,
hey, Rashida, change your woman phone so. I'm not wanting to move before.
Mankind debut. Brother, we are mankind, Brother, yeah, a money binti. If you keep avoiding married men, you never see nice hotels in Ghana. Wait. Brother, wait a minute, come on,
okay. Girls, you are so this one to the girls.
Yes. Me say if you keep avoiding married men, you will never see nice hotels. Wait, why you move down so I'm at Papa. Brother, you this is something now. You find some no brother, the crowd say me call Nigeria. Brother, you just see what me story for me. I ask him brother. The Ubia can say what brother you phone so what's that?
But me do me Michael right.
Brother, what are the Nipana can come in? Okay, the brother and the Amsa man for Yemi Pau. Brother, me catch us a meko Nigeria.
You told me.
Yes,
you told me.
On Monday. Brother, I was say Abraham Tiwana TB Joshua the late.
Yeah.
On a year and then a man kind tribute. In fact, brother, one who will be super. In fact, Merehwe. Merehwe, papa. Na Nigeria for say wa no mu hunka. Oga tewa wa na me say baby can say but The way Omoka no muka, but the originator of Say Why is not here. I'm the coordinator, and we have the originator. I'm just the coordinator. Brother, but tribute to Limono, Mamene Eka, how she at TB Joshua the later. Just almost Bob Brana and they, but in fact, synagogue where
yeah,
papa. I a camp just say, oh, a wafer. But I dare hear me Dennis say, Brother, upon imprim premier by Yinano, safety protocols. No, it was well observed. It was well observed, managing. Nansenya. And a Ghana, ya tutu fuel name a ye lorry fame na Ghana for complaining. Gradually, Tanzania, for one to see Omumini Okum, Omufuel prices are cost by 58%.
Ish.
For the past 12 months, Omuti into Musu, baby cockroach, you need to be a
yeah.
In fact, omo kyerɛ sɛ nneɛma ɛnkɔyie wɔ hɔ nti Tanzania fo nso yɛ den super enya asɛm ketewa gradually me de baba to dwa me da ho awɔ Jacob Zuma ne prison
sentence no
yes na de ɛtene sɛ unsa me bɛka kyerɛ sɛ ɔbɛka sɛ ɔmo de no kotuma is like ɔma sentence no to death due to the age ne ade no South Africa Regional Court and so na nka ɛsɛ ɔmo chi ni tum but omu enche bia na omu de omu ruling ebeba abonten to see if say omu bechi no anase omu nche no esan say omu kira nka Wednesday enda ahomachin ena nka eso okoda afiase but the lawyer natural clat ten with big grammar ewom intino odi akopie mu e South Africa omu regional court na say hanka ebeka ne say yemfa ne say the supreme yemfa ne sa omu pesa omu yeden omu hwe into ruling in a babontia magana fonsuru I will bring it I will bring it Brother in fact me ra ho na meka Dutch near home Madam Fubi oye crime reporter why you demand for so many years
okay
in fact yabonu two ewo baby ameni anje ho on unze ewo Amsterdam Amsterdam okay non in Nam street in so na to say crime na why na manfo a one more machichi o matum no to say obi atama na pa na ija wodi aiden odi esi
odi agina no
abofo nso de say wa wodi ebe mu na bem nti brother we na che say eno
okay
brother
yeah
media si
odi busy
media si but before that
yeah
I want to tell you something.
Okay.
Brother,
yeah.
If your girlfriend gives you money, there are two things involved.
If your girlfriend gives you money,
there are two things involved. It is either she's ugly or she's older than you.
Maya man tinti minka bio.
Uti. Asama me kind. Uti. Bajeri. Me say it's either she's older than you or she's ugly. No.
Okay.
Bajeri.
Thank you.
Promise ring inti. What's that show you attitude? Acha wona fofo. Promise ring. Na me bi say nipa say onim shatamichi ana. Minchire mupi. Minchire mupi.
Why me nyamu?
Promise ring inti brother you obo dress one na for so be san say oni shatamichi ana. Minchire. Okay. Medi Anderson Scott. Shatawale betimi abo me me sure. Wo kwa chimodan ye fe kuro bi keji.
Enyo ne bebo na ne grofo no.
Diego nkata manim na ze.
Ne grofo no de. Why nusu ban.
Brother ye. Wo kwa chimodan ye fe kuro bi keji.
Keji.
Na che se wo kan.
Na we jebi.
French ni be ka che se je vel
capel.
Na che se brother mi nu mienu de.
Davi unko a. Tete se de.
Ene papa bi o se tete se den. Wo mo be chi en. Brother ma kra.
Bye bye.
Adom FM 106.3. Feeling it deep.
Answer me now, Mr. Big Man. You know this everybody want to go and go off for it. A simple life. It's all we give me food, don't give me love. Simple life. All we want. Give me clothes, give me love. Shelter. On the feet. This is one your song. Don't you know I feel like only but the people can't sleep, but they come yourself. They want to make them you are me. After everybody mash up and there is nowhere to scatter. Tell me where we gonna run go. After making our motherland a better place to live. Tell me where we gonna run go. When them say we have to pay for the oxygen we breathe. Answer me now, Mr. Big Man. You know this everybody want to go and go off for it. A simple life. It's all we want to live. Give me food, give me clothes, give me love, and give me shelter. Simple life. It's all we want to live. Give me food, give me clothes, give me love, and give me shelter. Well then, enough of them sell out. Bun them sell out. Be selfishness, we see them sell out. Greedy life, speedy life, them tell a lie. The truth they will always try to hide. Yeah, call a spade and don't call it a dagger. Living big at the expense of a brother. You don't have no pride, you think you rich, you is a robber. God never forsake the poor boy. Call a spade and don't call it a dagger. Living big at the expense of a brother. You don't have no pride, you think you rich, you is a robber. God never forsake the poor. Tell me where we gonna run go. After making our mother a place. Tell me where we pay for the oxygen we breathe. Answer me now, Mr. Big Man. You know
Stone Boy on this one. Yep. Special greetings going out to Enoch Edu Kofi, all the way in Sweden, Europe. We need a BBA Boko there. And shouts going out to Rashida, all the way in the UK, doing the listening. And to you, man like Sandia C, do the taste guru. Come now, Jollof Head saying.
It's all we want to live. Give me food, give me clothes, give me love, and give me shelter. Simple life. It's all we want to live.
And this message here says, Jerry, the way my 2.5-year-old daughter, they say wawa. You just have to listen, okay? I'll download and listen. Why? Her name is I know you are. I'm not sure. I know you are. Inside a shaman, Switzerland. When you're Switzerland, is a shaman. I'll download and play the Siwa now with 2.5-year-old daughter. Why? Meantime, a happy birthday, though belated. Encore Emma Eva Abena Boche. Yesterday was your birthday. Eva Abena Boche Ando. Who are here, Swedro from Ohima, Frimpoma, and the entire family. Wishing you God's blessings.
It's all we want to live. Food, give me clothes, give me love, and give me shelter. Simple life.
And a happy birthday also going out to my beloved sister, Mrs. Winifred Na Latele Alabi of La Medila. May the good Lord richly bless you for all the things that you've been doing for us. Thank you, and we appreciate you so much. Enjoy today to the fullest, dear. That's dear sister from the entire family, led by Jamestown J. Cole.
Making our motherland a better place to live. Tell me where we gonna run go. When them say we have to pay for the oxygen we breathe. Answer me now, Mr. Big Man. You know to say everybody want to go and go out for it. A simple life.
A happy, blessed birthday going out to the man who plays so many roles in my life. We love and appreciate you. Good health and long life from your wife and children. Keep being amazing. Mr. Glad Agidi, aka Richman. Have a blast.
Loud, burn them, sell out. Be selfishness, we see them sell out. Sweetie life, them tell a lie. The truth they will always try.
And from Joshua Tigo, I say happy birthday to Pamela Melly Hammond. Freight forwarder at the Kutuka International Airport. You turn 27 years today. We wish you God's blessings, guidance as you begin a new chapter of your life. From your auntie Eva, Jay, and all the children.
When them say we have to pay for the oxygen we breathe. Answer me now, Mr. Big Man. You know to say everybody want to go and go off for it.
Please help me say a happy birthday to these brutal brothers. Brutal brothers. Okay, so one on the list is Listowell Solomon Kojo Fojo of Adom FM. Second on the list is Evans Okran, GRE Kaswa. And I'll say, please tell them God will surely take them to their promised land. God bless them both. From Nana Abuaje Central University, Faculty of Law on the way by Abuja baby I do know ya boy rem na ya de irrigated sports atwaso na ya kwenum na ya hwese de no so ebesi akwafa na se de munim no ese timima empanifo ehya ase kasa timpanifo kasa wipe na chese ya bi kwam na ya koye ni mu a eno no.
Well, please, irrigated sports a perfect program, perfect engaging and perfect unexpected. Irrigated sports papa. So listen to irrigated stuff. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listing alligators sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha, I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't this Sisi Chum. That they be a irrigated sports. There's no day minty irrigated because me tia manage na me stress.
Good. Over.
The open program one dedication fast sports one. Irrigated sports Adom 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Good. Kwame Akwaba.
Kwakume Joshua.
Mpunu mutu saying.
Da tempo anu de gwaku. Ye gwa nwan ma ne sa.
Na hasen su mutu saying.
Hasen su muda so ye pa be sin ne. De team bia ni wa obe has ba bia. Has da soro ho. Ana wa ka nyina no ye da kotokofo apampa so. Nim say ye kan twi kasa apampa so a wote ase a.
You
ye da o ma pampa so.
But ya team didi zu.
Da bi de bi say.
Kan ka da o ma pampa nkro bi ga we da wa pampa so.
Ya bi tone na be say yo ya na.
Ze de o ka.
Abu say ya yi kra no. Se no ba ko no be kan no. Ru akra.
So we are need dinko we are you guys.
Ya cool. So that 20 boys.
Ejabri. Unofficial Kaswa Akwaba.
Yeah.
Na empol mutu say.
Oh, Yanko pardon.
I said, I saw what is some money at you. What am I doing?
The Biana Mubina,
and I got good news to watch. He said, a draft for the Kikam Mono Zuya.
So many I didn't want to Basa.
I didn't see what's happening. It's one you from Indiana.
It's what the info be
Casland.
Bambo for you, much will be in a Dumakama gas wedding.
Oh, yeah.
See, I said to quit.
The journalist is here.
Kwaku,
don't know him so.
Charlie, how is this possible? Someone is calling me. The person, the same number now.
Oh, for half.
What's the Wi-Fi now?
Okay, somebody we need to say, I think you want Charlie. My
laptop
pressure be out. Na mo awu zum nusi me kasa na so frɛ me ya no pɛ sɛ ko fa na
kwa madam ba ko e fa na ohema na e ne kunu birthday ne kunu ni Frank Awua
unya me
ana
ibi aye you know bi antimi no
na ye ohema Awua ba ko pɛ
o du ba ko ba brand new wa
was it the boss we
madam no
oh okay
enti
me ba 2 minutes
Nikuru na di birthday
Nikuru de Frank Awua no kasa de ohema ba ko pɛ friend Awua ba ko pɛ ohema Awua
okay Mrs. Awua
ana the band Lillian Ajay Kwatin ana Elvis Sapon Awua Chief Yaw Sapon ana ni in-law Kwame Ajay Kwatin ɛyɛ ne grandson so mu nyina sɛ amoma no happy birthday
omo de ma
Mr. Frank Awua on na ye de birthday
Mr. Awua oh okay no te hin
kwa Mr. Awua de no de no abrochi ne Ghana na odi akɔnɔ basa
on kasi bi o Ghana hana so de be yanko beti ne yi na be kasi Mr. Awua o te ha
oh obeti
na me bisa won se o te hin no
so ono no security reasons ntino ayan se ye de o show sa
oh
chema
well
ame de o mutete
oh well
abani na
so kama
na we are where say too much is akai my coach and I'm captain and count we are where
there be a captain Obebobi one match ban
I'm doing one match ban
and Ross we coach into the aka one pay
coaching there is aka one ban we
scan kwa de uze kotoko de udemu a ude sikamu is it cycles omo US omo sika we de say kitikiti kra kokoko sika omo betu akra
and omo ji sika MP Stadium Emma Kotoko na nyesa mo twema referee coach Kodin se hu a no matoto susu e de akwa akwaje no
ben kan kire o se Ghana
ha ka uche pa
mitie ni ye pa na sa se mu na
o ready say o mebo Kotoko a o mo pesi ka mebo Kotoko no si stadium se wadani ayi abo be kwa no sansan kroma sansan kroma obo ayi obo ase no obo nkran it is US form Kotoko supporters am US am tie me se mo pe amwa bi aboa enya so mo betwen na coach Kodin sense me a ma ji su akode no 5000 e comot akora ka metua
say Ghana ha teams do say na o stadium
o si team do na o stadium
do say bubu ma me hwe
oh na say ayi wafa o stadium
okay na ho am
ayi foi ko fo bebre wo
bubu say wo bubu bi na ho abiom obo asifo bi aj gold obi
house nsu si house of focus o si ogusu o si politician for bros it is in the pipeline house of focus stadium
me say bubu teams almost stadium Ghana how say me say omo obi
and the o si so ka ho
David ahwa na si stadium Ghana ha wana team be na si stadium say
unim adako jachi won ayi unim unim
na my won see ade mu si
ogusu yes
na see o se wan na wo bia ntima no de wo bia
na make omo airbound
men kan so bi ka kire wo say mu si stadium aka kire de pakura say wo twa atro da no ye ni ha na mo say mu si 5000 capacity stadium and I'm going for Sunday by Senano Crash
sports complex.
Masa. One of us complex. Now, Mutivo no crash chance, more supporters base, you know.
I didn't stadium be any. No, there's difference between a stadium and a pitch and a football pitch. No, Kwame, don't get that fact right. See, there's a difference between a football. Now, the best channel, Nanya complex. What's a complex? A sports complex. And yet, football pitch as part of the complex, but stadium. You can't stadium. But there's no stadium. Liberty for Park Stadium. I don't know Liberty for normal friend. I don't know my friend Carindorf Stadium. Andrea Stadium.
Training ground.
And we park. And we building on my Osusu say carrying of what the you friend park you friend stadium
stadium will be an yohu South African Liberty Stadium will be a twin
what
the stadium ground out for stadium the stadium ground out for stadium there's nothing like
Accra Sports Stadium Kumasi Sports Stadium Babanyara yeah, Cape Sports Stadium, Esipon Sports Stadium, and a Tamale Sports Stadium.
Ghana station, Mrs. Station, stadium.
Obuasi cry standard.
Because it's a stadium,
stadium, Papa Ben.
As to we are sort of not to offer one yesterday.
Stadium.
Why?
Any other carrying of park now? Friend stadium.
Mr. Friend said it will be a new
stadium standard.
When you say,
stadium now.
Brighton Park. Yes, from Brighton Park.
Stadium. Who took a corner? Was Mrs. Stadium Johnson? Because you was stadium Johnson. Yes, you are.
Any carrying of park.
Somebody's stadium.
There be
stadium in my stadium. Stadium my stadium.
Brighton Park, yeah, Gasa Sports Stadium. Go call Brighton Park. More motivate.
My friends
they say something come now with you house miss stadium Johnson.
On the airport cry.
Even that they okay. Brighton's a park here okay no. And Coco they okay. And no.
And president
Omwa no mwayen sa na man why anka no anka e stadium pa eno mo atoto na jeje mu amasa de project na isa omde ko dua bro na omu no eno na ye stadium pa wo hwese de tie na because wo de hwe right from the main entrance one day ban wo so no mo asisi we bi ho no mo ababi anka o nya changing room ni ade bia sa ne ma ni na na be ka onya se park ya je wan ende o so any stadium because we never be attract
waka me unsan ko stadium no still a mo nye
na making
say mso mo ko ho
because who say eno no your friend say department room eno na ene ka bom na
washroom commentary box wo
offer tuba offer
I astrotef na
me ka last me ko for hone aye e ko consider me dey how many years
na we astrotef na
stadium you be mayen you be more ball 50 years in here 50 years
yeah sure 50 years ni ko nya be more
sika akono obobo
onya free say 50 years that's okay Are United Franco say why am bo United nya da no ya na Franco say why am ifu
ko United ya tie no ya tie
na sabe no bo nya park ne so no bo
ko consider mo ho na ko United beba
say wo ho ache
eti na so na say konfo de ya den na besin na yatimi ya bi man krofo na ye nya ba ko pema ye
na mo hwe mema gu kwa wo mo ntimi nya ma mo
won ta sama papa we ka che are ye de ma twene stadium
nya men ka ma twene o mo botomu aduro
ye de ma two are
men ka ma two bi so mo botomu aduro asikafoa papa bi aguso nti o mo ntimi
are ka kibidian kan fa ban sika nko no company krom no
na nya men ka ma company krom asem me se sabanya ma wa nti asikafoa me mo bobi nchiro bra champion no stadium wa si onye stadium hotel wa si nye
e to mo hotel ska ko si
nka so fa ko si stadium
opani se ma fu wi akwan mani abre
sikin so ho NS chemist ho me bo kra na me
afa temi krom sika fo mimi super stadium o da mi krom sika
ko me se kan ya ko fata no ne
ada wo potom
asikafoa
ada wa bi bia
about 60% so obofo konfo nti wo mo ade obi anyi kakra
so kamika krom wa mi o
ade je na wo ti mo ka so pise wo mo kase wo mo si wo mo na sikin si dini sika be ye Oko United na mo ko buru nkrofo ana papa si magai right so bagi ya ena no subu ba money nti mo sa ko buru nkrofo no si magai
ko fo no nko so sa no
Oko United ba money
but oni did obi e bo for dem frem we did be so say mo ko
mo money bi e fo no pe mo buru nkrofo ba coach Sapon o say me den do pa ko ka bibi no na su that no ko coach
be kai
bo ni su brete
o coach bi de bo say so ko bo referee ko and dey normal
no ene say mo pitch na ka ho
no dey say dey we dey here
me say yeah promise and faith two visits dey astrotef we say ni pa bo mu dey o mu ntimi nye
o so dey okay I don't know this ko dey business fan ko astrotef say dey tax say twa ma wan
o de yem so kromo jana bia si aba metu bi ma
kwaku ameka sem nkyerɛ wo
ti de beka no o yem fa so kromo jana ya si aba metu bi ma
me de masem ana to awrade anim ye kono fa masem to awrade anim de meka na say Nkoko stadium no it is long overdue kwaku brafo no ye long overdue say yes kwofo ye benya stadium bia ye tiri ko ball e wo so the whole kwa we bi di wo
o ka say the whole eastern region there Metias na ka the whole kwa there say you see no ebi
wa
ye share tribal in
ebi wa
me so ka say the whole eastern region bi ni ho Metias here
and dey sit you body travel bi dia na
enye stadium you can want it.
Me say, media no kwa bi na be
so make your case right.
Me ka utia na. Me say office kana sa. Ana dem force skani bi ni obi mu a. Wo dem nya stadium no. No mko fe ye da Nigeria hi bi. Anton kokko. Ana say baby, and
president this region ho am say o ma obi nkro bi ho ma nya astro tell.
E di emfri kokko bo ko fo dia na.
I said the theater of dreams. Come on.
E di emfri kokko bo ko fo dia. Because e bi ko fo dia.
Na ye dey.
Exactly.
So they you free
from ticket here Mr. Ken am nkan mu asem cho.
Kini ticket na
Asante Kotoko Sporting Club Limited. One ticket no. And now we efi eye Royal Red Army.
Yes.
So what I say. Omo etua 4,000 Ghana cedis. Che say eye donation
from new currency.
Oh, tie. Omo etua 4,000 Ghana cedis. Omo ede support the fine against Coach Barreto and JV Takis na hair. Ntino donations are almost as so what I why etua 4,000 Loyal Red Army. Loyal Red
Army. Containers
training pitch.
Containers containers
stadium depot bi man
muko gas one say it mo bi chase kan ma
na ya fine just ya fine say makonya case na ya de ma court na ya fine me say me metua 100,000 na me say me 100,000 na kwasju mo 100,000 say me fan kutua omo dey for mo ben omo dan say dey fine me metua
me na no so dey affect me
ya ngrofo ka say GF no won mo ho man ngrofo bi na fe de ma GF
una wo kan ya be chiro na obi ebo from me
say said the smart year the sampa omo homan because say Dreams FC coach no there Barato ko kan yi o kan the same thing you ban no how many matches
and
one and yes 20,000 because team no ye obi dia no coach
it is at the discretion of the committee to decide what happened to the case discretion
discretion and the degree
first one crab by second one na say no
the first one say na kan was it discretion
kwaku dede ayu di sembi atudwa abantie de chese wahu sa Ghana for ye bofu Black Stars
ohuni wen
say ho
ohuni wen
Bobo Kumasi of all people they bobo na nakotom from nobody is there watching first crowd to fans ni mo no obi no afa no ato ama say bobo to fans ni ma ade mo change ball no kwaku je na kata
ade o release fans ni
obi akwa fa ento ma wo na ade wakata Ghana for na say wahu say mo pese omo ye bibi na odo no sign back
and they say then on be no
say nam kwan so
odo be
the love that we have for Black Stars
Black Stars mum
asaba ka menene ya jode say ye pese ye hu bibi say ka bia World Cup qualification bam on ko World Cup your semi finals bi bam e say dem na Ghana for LP ahwe na o se obetimi ne wo yira tena na obuafu no ba na wo do no you got a point to make. The day you a point to make, I want to read
no, just
yeah, whatever he wrote. Or say, I believe deep inside me that every single Ghanaian loves the Black Stars. You can love your wife and be angry. And I think that is the relationship between the Black Stars and the Ghanaians.
Okay.
The feeling I am having is that they are waiting for us to give them something to spark. I feel it starting to come. Just say enchebiano ombe ye nyoma ama ye ni age Black Star
ka say yeah
nya ka sa Ghana property o pese Ghana ni ahye ni age
na you crowd de onyo de
ka say
na maka de
na some waka boni
men ka so waka boni o we say ye waka no de waka bu samem sa hwe
just mo try ma talk
de Ghana for hwe nya no ne de obeka o
so waka say
no ya bobo no World Cup ya qualify ye ko bi African Cup of Nations ya age asa
alaji guru osego na mafefe
ye Ghana for here no asa bibia ni hobium
na obi uni football history kakra
oh yes
a certificate recruiters
football history football na nkasa no two you say they are modernizing in UK but they started from Brazil.
Okay sa no muka sa wo sa ayi no
yes sa no muka
na unim osofo ajagraja
oh yes
or the churches are story now okitani nyina no wrong
the ono dey was
na free John the Baptist time.
Oh,
I say you try John the Baptist, you know. You toma omo di wa go na football start here.
This Olympic Games here is na sa Asian time no. Games ya no mo ye.
You try be tina man for the day agro no football.
As on football no free football no entokwa. Any euro ewo musa do.
For my dream fa nema bi.
Ah, you go go I think the number
football pen in Rome. Nema no be the Baptist. Ah, adwuma aye kura no ni. Now I'll be just saying football.
No, what you do no be ko si tuma na say.
I be say ye wedding go treasure. O me you adwuma ni.
Onu take over.
Asofudie no mu
asofudie yo mu di krom.
Na say scandal be one.
Omo de lint yo mo. E say everything na drum. They drop it in the days of old nine go for the diagram no. How is football related to obiti e twa nkwa de diagram?
Oh, because they come kasi go training ball.
Oh jai.
No, I don't there.
I know in football. I know in football. How can that be a game? I mean, just think about it. How can that be a game?
People say they were bar. Never be bramo hwe say no. Yeah, dey agro so na be da game.
And a game no ne twi ye dey nya agro.
Dem make say be recognize game.
Yeah,
dey agro.
Normally yeah, dey agro na fe.
Golf nyina arukoto na be golf.
Oh, say any days kakra
alikoto be dan golf uni ma alikoto alikoto e boni say dey be dan
chaskele mu nyina ba
chaskele de be golf da bi chaskele kura nye ne be golf eno ya kreke say eno de eno ne papa wa na kasa ne eno nye golf what ya say
games bi woni edidi agro da asa na ne mu na be recognize game kwa kuna games bi ho kura e maabo
yes
video ni ma
na sa sumbo de na ho
agro bi ankrofoni
so draw de na ho
Russia for we
ya bo asun pau ni abo pau ni na
slapping competition for Russia koso den
e bia ba dia patrol
akwa ko ye bo no ye se gina ho se ya ye team ni asa pejira gina ho competition pa ko Russia omo ye
kwaku na ayi no unse ye se Germany na abawe bi esu sabayo na no osu na amanfo sha se omo ba hye no o social media
sesen o tunu nti
ya nko for church se be bre na e ka papa bi akoma na o ye se o ye fundraising amano
da bi o na ya show bi na ne ra ho no osu a why do you
social media dey say no obi anwe wo hu sa o nti wo post ya careful
oh me so oni me dey me fa no me na me aba me
o ka so ma me awu kura no o no be ka si
o pa fatem didi o wiase na fa di social media me fiu
ma me wu na post di pita ko me ka cha say free ani su ko ni adwen
me fiu me na say o yes to na ha ma dwen pa na ma block me dey no dey me ni adaji afena me no ba be ye kama me kan twema me twen on social media da bi me send me time sa wo
ababra ne ma me ewu na osu ajoyangi
kwana ma me ewu ruko si ka say baby won je duro me na ma me ewu me anu yan social media
me dey me view bro me na ma block my baby
answer na wonya 36,000 euros the initial when was 5,000 euros I see he wants to buy something for the little girl but she can akwa see 36,000 euros na akola na ma me ne papa ayade be mamu say obroni won me nya so say ne nuane bibini kwa kuta some of can dey still some say adam ye nyina film ye be spread this say no dey e me mama
okay asema okay ma me ne
then on why
dabi
did ma take that decision
onisika
omo aye den
o say first can come UNICEF na obi e boyfriend for na be go su ye $36,000 first also offer one kind of
let me tell you something right me can say we are maybe you will understand why sometimes they do the things they do hwe yenya hasitna mu no e different from omo hasitna mu hwe me ba when you pan some to nchen but the other day na me ni obi ye argument bi na me kan bi a che no say enkola omo asiso yen ye krumu a yen fa ne say omo wo senior high school level omo ne omo afefo a omo so wo other European countries ni bia omo so e wo the same level with them or education yi ono be wie na wanya chance to go to the university the all abroad so anya bi omu nyina akwa kosua ade awie ade omu kosua no obia bɔ no modern obia ewie no wa graduate kama ye fans omu nyina ode obia second class apakra na omu anya obae na no one struggle to get work to do one or start adwuma na onim say every month beyond this is my income no edan ya available already for onipa kono okon ya wakwa akwaje ye nkwaje no 3 years 2 years advance o oje dan no na bosumi bia no watuatua opa obetimi akọ for mortgage na waje oye adwuma ni na bosumi so a enti system ni e favorable ntino ono ote wono pressure ni so te say wo afa na wo pesika kọtọ asase oto asase ni wi a wo pe land gas for amoma abon ban ama wo wi e na cement bo ho pressure asana wo fa for no wan Charlie, that pressure is not on them. And you are telling the small income nearby no, or to an tax near the Kakra corner near in Mabedino. And your problem, mano. And you are not to Nani Mrio Bisi Castle what no, I don't know.
Retirement is so a
retirement. You better now copim or Beckham is a good boom. And you know, greediness. None that is it. And you won't know. Family says you are to a pressure and one now can't cast them, Jenny. And that cross answer. Miss me the next time, as I go bongo. It's pressure in Anka. We are sending coming to Kotoka for break. Wow, said that. But no, that problem is obey if you anymore. Bass or fire or cock. I could do a city center. I had your baby, we are ourselves. But apart from systems for I'm upbringing so come and I make us and a couple maybe or sano or ya call out from the beginning there say ya net here and you know account follow and yeah and Tabriscano and from Coma a year UNICEF na nipa ankwala Africa haya ne beba let's go
ya hanko be maza
oh heti yeso moko you know president no
yes o
ba ko medano e woni fie
asemo
e security bi di bi aji o
there be some microphone
guys no ko ho
asemo
mo prano
asemo mo kunu no
chale
me who story I'm like
it could be say minimum say dey be a omo
security omo ye here for omo timi see
security no
ye dey omo timi see bi say flash house
no onya ho no ti o wono ti ni o baby o ti onya ne ho no mkoku no onya presidential valley ho say we ono mkoku no ona fie ankasa
ono an fie
so free baby na ko adwuma office
say nka abai free ni ma akoi nka ya no ma cross ni ma jansen dabi opani dey wontimi nyane sa ono kro wa yire duru bi wan wa yire
oh nyane
it's very sad very sad very sad ebetima ko Bangladesh ebetima ko Philippines
but do na be Africa
oh nyi enko ne ehia yen o Asia honko baby ho enko yi
South America nice place
oh
show per capita income
oh
abi amaka kana hu ne na da
no papa
Philippines is a very nice place
no sir papa
oh nabi na ho no enye enamike enye there even Europe cry ya ken
but Philippines is better than Ghana
Kwame tie say ma make control tie
I'm telling you
Kwame tie
Philippines is better than Ghana
o de mami
in terms of the check one here
Philippines is better than Ghana
no it's true
that's what trim plan when you cry I don't trim plan now o plan we MP as a minister
Kwame anya no kre na unim say journalist bi o investigative journalist Holland eno ye o makuku no eno ye Holland Hollando Netherlands
what corona papa asa confuse
investigative journalist ke sia o Netherlands eno o makuku no o se no achi
man say ko
my own way be and then growth we me no team fifie na wan ho pa ni
corona cent
na I African for pictures bi gu homa wonu say kwaku say Euro si omo boy Euro 2020 ya omo boy Copa America so koso denden e Brazil na nyame adoma kwasiada homachi ayen ada no na no ye wia e wo Brazil nti ombebo final no Argentina ni Brazil
a finals no mean no Brazil be win
born the Argentina well
Mexico do magic
na unim ya na man focus Lionel Messi ogisika kesi afa na mate ase die nti ase ogisika kesi famfo ni bitu yini so na hwa ade mfoni ye miensa brantie no na kire se owodoma ne team no so hu ne nan yankasa ode bobo no obi ya twa na ma ne nan na obi ehye socks mu no etumoja enya sem ketwa
na so occupation has na tete adwuma ye adwuma bi obi mo oda se ti mic achi wa ha ma agrada achi na no ada yi e ma eframu ma na no aya bisa so fu so ansa no e dey asem na ke si ba bia
ya players is a oya player bia
la ta turi so fi show bi
so na amazing for the no mo do mo adwuma no
ko bri ja adwuma bi obi
ya player bia sa occupational hazard ni mo me pesa we chese senke ye player bia 57th minute no pray sempre no ba enko beka se on team mo biom but the boy wie esa de ko ball first penalty share making sure say
I to some friend we ya no sa ko
America na
yes
true be to no me ba the picture is there, people are watching right, but you see where mama can be bincho me ba tie fa ne commitment ne chonche no kwani nyame anim ne ba kwa kwa sa ko pa America
obi timi so
sa nkrofo no mo bo no empanifo betu amfo mu ntu amfo na buga wa mo bo too much pinche yo no on ko pa America ande dabi on de ande tiba football ya mo na be na mo ko mo de garanti na o bisa
but some of them are kasa won ha
enye kwa
futu ni atenga no bon has ni bi no mo bon ko pa America
o mo de
o de kasa mo has ni wo
na say
they say
wow
mo ka say onya nsem bon no hwe so mo bon I don't need hinya kasa emwa ye onya nsem o masa I don't have Pentecost ni but so bon nsem san fi ngola brem de yin o da so bon nsem
so bon nsem now command cause when I do professor my baby jet there's all head sir oh me dey muso network na me baby jet video bi ba ya
no I dey
no channel na so pa
oh mahu Instagram
oh video no
yeah
share
go na share na
or post video no one dey post it first and I trust say media for no say video we dey yen enter manfo na ha me kakra de say ye ka player bia yen media for ya ne hu de pa asamoja aka hu bi
players ya yo mu de say ya de pejana na say yes super no
oh asamoja super ben and to panels new on na golden boy I talk about penalty no golden boy I come last time
it ni kra ne say wasam no kan siswe
o kasa oboa
ngai hwan
oboa
hey player ben
dabi mo mani ka say mo person kan
I know if you na terms 2008 or camp no say na ma so kofi asamoja bra be Ghana bi ni Kwame,
can you finish your statement? As I'm not person kan.
Did ma me atem nyina ama me make say mo blaster bi o refi.
I just sort of penalty.
And said Debbie and went to 2008 or 7.
Oh, Debbie ma me dey penalty no.
Na penalty na can 2008.
2008 or 7.
Na ko kan ya ma o san ba e. Ne ma me o to ana ma me fie dan so man. Ma kwaji na World Cup dey san be kan ho. Ono de bra wa bra Ghana for
say. I care about then a penalty no yes mo
penalty.
But now first one the
incident nesi.
About the chess media for no any sign ma we. Na better chess media me kai pa say asamoja be here talk of the town na obi a kana asem ope
after 2010 ne bana o say goals bi no na even World Cup 2006 Oko said the fastest goals and then enya is young players bibisa and that time class happening and just after 2006 number 2008 be din atema ko dwane
but other than mudi natem
into the o kasa moja asemi papa ibai ba ko ikitu yi say dey enya abotra ma ofo say abotra ni nyama samoja at that time Eric Bekwe mo ne players bi e call blasters ofo say abotra nya bi ma mo
dabi
so that so ne na mo
me maka to say Ghana football no ye man krofo bi o
especially
especially current administration DFA
menya semo
menya asem na meka
obi kana say wo kasa no obi ayedi wati obi so kasa obefa we some ya ka wa bi obi
and some ka obi
ba ma bo ada akra te ori
Kwame one kasa wie ma obi so kasa bi Kwame obi kasa
ya ka o maso mo mbere
Kwame mo obi so kasa obi ba cho kasa obi kasa
ko sinya te ji kro no emu no e lawyer kra na ye twe na bosu
kwasi ko yo
mo chika to kra bo
wanye papa de e betwe na bosu obi ani ni asemba to wani papa de e betwe na bosu
sada no ada yi ya se be the theater of dreams na ya che papa yi free ya bo no na ma twe krata ba bon desenya no kra fe de na krata na ma mo twere ma san ko den o no kra na ase pinche ko so papa yi so se mo abu no frumfra ma players abebu no bi coach kra di kan nya ni so
e betem Chelsea
GF no ro na e wo mre de wan
ene se e wo san ko condemn omo an condemn ko ya se ko to ko ja
ba ko se adi penete na supporters e be hwe referee GF no ro no wo
condemn Uni Robia who play. Na League one has some
opening ono no dim po ha say ya bu nkrofo park so e ko ya so onya agi awuni kroma
kotoko
etwa mi say dia so na ke kotoko ni o man pani ma na say na do le kan say mu kroma
kotoko ni
akaba na o wasu
ye kala
edura se mi ba
ye bi kura ko ka say heaven one
men kan kalela o ko kalela
what here
me
the audio video no
oh na de ona
so kalela de ni
na
kalela
upa sound
enu tina me num so aguso
so kalela
ida kalela mu dia hen Karela good ya ne wo mo no
kwame no
ya ne wo mo no ya je penalty ma kotokwa presenter na sports commentator ko ka say penalty we nye papa kotoko for supporters ko peja no ko si abonche
commentator unim nyansa commentator ya mo sika se kokova match so unim nyansa utim ka se penalty we nye penalty
there be what is supporters
what Europe match bia referee to say yeah we dey and just nke aje what uti commentator na wote no so commentator nyam kan wa omo se dan
omo kan bi da
kwaku
omo share opinion no
omo kan omo share opinion da bia when you are listening to the English commentary
and supporters ni peja no ni ko si abonche
omo share da bia
GF secretary say or Prosperado wa coach to us omo be charge kotoko
na do me ya na eye
so peja ni si abonche na
German ko tuntu
David no
Kobe Stone and come commentary no kotoko force wakasa mo peja ko tam no commentary
no David no commentary box supporters no che dia make no one try it
ese mo kan ze mu ntina ni ba nso ni adum transmitter
make us
and you the pitch bar ko represent team was studio
oba de baby ana otena nya commentary box mu otiu
ya na nsa be ura glass
what supporters no
baby otili am fa ho he's giving comment
the moment obeka sa supporters net ho no masa o safety o say we say is a stake
na ba na say no bitimi supporters mu commentary
o ko say how na kwatse mu no gina mu no o dwere mu dwere mu penalty na referee what to supporters mu penalty we dey anya oh David
has commentators there
how supporters say team na ni to na yes o because
no penalty na mu owiram
but and say what
no obi onim say ohwe sa match be say penalty no na mu ya dwiram
anytime
na kwatwa
o dey tie
o do ho
o dey wa kwatwa supporters because o mo anya ne sanka boys ne bebo no so one peja
no so no ko keke e dey say mo to me so o mo ba be pai o be o mo to mu fuma o sa dia to to ko fo team o di akwa say dey chinya ne honam nya ne yam so mo say tam ne keke kwaku ya tam obi an ho ya ne
abani league ya ye boy total penalties awarded as at week 20 Dreams FC 11 Hasselfolk 9 Beijing United 9 Liberty 6 Elmina Sharks 5 Karela 5 Ashanti Gold 4 Interlies 4 Legon Cities 3 Great Olympics me ba kotoko ya dasie no ha Great Olympics 3 King Faisal 3 Mediama 3 Eduana 3 Bekum Chelsea 3 Asante Kotoko 3 Ebusian Dwarfs 2 na 11 Wonders 2 nti wo hwa second position no eye penalty league you know as of for that second
kwa ku unim say unim ball na unya penalty penalty any no center
ya de enim
ball
penalty any no center
teams na omo animu a eba ne penalty ya oda mo na omo animu che kotoko omo nimbo che kotoko ntini ya jibe bra mo
league am da say ayi FA Cup no ya she 1-0
mini team be
ayi na boy me ba
Mopon
Liberty
ya be any young wise so other FA Cup was again one and couple. And Madrid now. Real Madrid didn't go FA Cup one.
Real Madrid. Young wise something. Minim said
Kwaku, unim say FA Cup there I see for next rough one here.
Na say they know what ya yiro ho a wo kan no mean say
you win.
Oh, na me ha ni kan say. Wa bro.
Emre bi adwuma e United Arab Emirates. Say o me mra hyebiemfo betie no asopam nanka.
O man implement wa ha.
Won atu ho anamo e de aye adwuma me gidi senke bebo bebre. Woman jailed reading hobby phone chat at dead of night.
Say Obano.
Yeah. Yeah. I say a court in United Arab Emirates sentenced a woman to 3 months in jail after her husband sued her for looking through his phone without his permission. In a statement made against his wife, the husband claimed that she would access his phone while he was asleep, copying all data, including pictures and chats.
She went ahead to copy
to her own smartphone so she could look through all the information at a later date.
Hey,
or yeah,
or copy and paste.
Yeah. Was it a court in Ras Al Khaimah?
Rasakama.
Okay. The court in Ras Al Khaimah found her guilty of violating the UAE's strict privacy law, which states that married couples are forbidden from accessing each other's personal phones without permission, even if one of them suspects the other of cheating. We are United Arab Emirates.
Now, cousin, can practice? I won't say democracy, no, different from what you know. Huh? Yes, your democracy.
I'm ready. Emrebi Bunimina, a ya, not a boy. Fat, never said, no, sir. I say, of course, I would say a boy, Shia no boy. And a young family.
I just African.
African way.
So, because I'm ready, a body, I'm ready, bro, born performance work, Dibibaha, won't me. I know.
Sentina overshum de beboa na on do timi dia ba.
African way. Oh,
ya hwe obi hu atwa na de amia yakuro. Di yes obo kwa na peke bia na zo so akosan so hia akosi ukuro hu na umia twe da bi. No, we say Arab country.
Oh, na de na boys.
The one we be different.
Abadi ya need be
smart. Mo prefer hu de bebrebe mo ko Libya se mo fa petition ko na mo wi amode mo ko ni achi mo. Mo Libya fo tri mo din. Ya de ba wo beti.
Fa Adema Jerry.
Okay.
Acho wa hwebi. Okay. Kwa kuhwe ama Kwame enkenkan so wa so bekenkan ya. Ade a wo hu no. O de bobodin no emo ade ne din se de enim no. Bobo na bobo prices na wo ho no man.
Eti ne din na amode ama na wo soro no.
Yes. Inti bobo ene the price no.
Okay, so warm millet smoothie 50 cedis.
Warm millet.
Smoothie. What I mean,
yeah. And I say 15 cedis for medium, 20 for large. Fried spicy bean cakes, 6 pieces, 55 cedis. Long loaf local, and only a day.
It's bread.
Debbie.
Cocoa. How's that cocoa?
Yeah. Millet smoothie. Cocoa 50 cedis.
50 Ghana cedis. Cocoa 50 Ghana cedis.
I took cocoa.
African Masendia.
And I said millet and one. How's that cocoa? Yeah.
How's that cocoa?
And one.
I took cocoa.
I had a kind of you
no.
Debbie can go send the answer.
Koseno no say fried spicy bean cakes.
How many pieces?
Was
it 6 pieces for 55 cedis?
55 cedis.
I no pen so cry me D4.
Where freaking biscuit and I say,
meaning baby a few.
Like are you Maria or hey back 20 pesos no. I must I knew here.
I said business class and ordinary class
Dabi different ultimate fan kotutu business class any economy ho dabi the difference is clear we be ko no we mu die kura be ko na no mom krampo anya de se ayi sahura maame die ya say na kan sahura maame koko no do betutu we mu ai
atade e pam na mbu so free gallon mu de ne de no na wa nkure mu no
I said, I just
answer. Kwaku, as I said, I come for no more advance per now, boys, no, I'm said them, they say they slow the ebinium. I've got the man who won't be there. Papa Prosini, and you're gonna how? I never gonna cross and you're gonna has a picture no more. It's a video, and you're gonna. Is this a real one? Yeah, Ebinimus Togo, but I know some grana. Only our share runabout no more corner. Look at how I'm facing traffic. No, it's not Ghana. But I'm wondering why I've been confused. You almost say, yeah, Debbie. Circle, yeah. Overhead. Saturday almost overhead. It's not Ghana. Police in that or yeah, and Augusta or your corner.
Yeah, you know videos of our time. I'm watching the call.
Full time here. Come archives mo na mani ko boss so na me hu the last time I had to folk eje cap no and patch your kind omo tweet o de
okay, so this is a tweet mama share
tweet
from Phobians Accra House of Folk.
Yeah.
Now I'll see full time here at the Swedru Stadium and goes by Joseph Iso and boy ni didn't say
Joseph is
the last time I had to cap no
I agree you work up
oh Michelle
now Obama so di Michelle
Michelle Sapon
okay you Joseph is
so kind of be Miss Nanya there
I say full time here at the Swedru Sports
as of for na fit you
also me card also
Swedru Sports
okay so full time here at the Swedru Stadium and goes by Joseph Eso and Michelle Sapon has ensured that we have won the Obahima Abena Ajima Memorial Cup at stake, beating All Blacks 2-0. All Blacks 0.
I started it was wrong from the beginning.
Wrong from
the last time how to book AJ Cup.
It's watch it.
Yeah, league in your book.
Obahima Abena Ajima Memorial Cup.
Unte any form of trophy. The last time Amuji be na whole treat na me opening. Also a hwan cup no.
Obahima Abena Ajima Memorial Cup.
Ajewa na Ajima.
There be enya Ajewa ni atwo. AGYIMA. It means ebia ne dina sa.
Me misa so do.
Ajewa ne mum yɛ na mu de Ajewa free tete sa na.
Ebia na ya Ajima because they can't a whole Accra so for bet Twitter adena on many mistakes because we're repeating twice where it's the same Ajima here and the same Ajima here.
That's a cup ni here.
Google na hwese nya
the right word in the word.
Nya Ajima.
Oh, that can say verified the account.
It has for verified
account. And then they become one.
I'm udu Swedru kwanti ha ya wuram no locals one if you left. Hwa no utra Abraham Accra nsu bi wa Accra.
Ya ka Swedru asem 24 krom ya kan ya hwan say ajiwa. What ajiwa?
Yes. Omo na hokro mo ya fanti omo ya gonofo.
Yapon.
Kwaku apon.
Yapon. Oh ma Royal Diadem guy Ejeko ma African. Manimrana.
Mami tu chama boy bi wo wono. Osi e friend wono. Wono Mbappe.
I got
it. Yo, osi e friend wono Mbappe.
Oti wono.
Yo say do ye no na me hu. Me yire fi kra si a o kan.
Oti nkran ha no.
Oso o tema bat. Ni krom ni wono. Oso ni mbo pa na mu nyanya team.
Enti mu peti mu
no. Wono Mbappe si opetim.
Opetim yo nsani din no.
Wono Mbappe no. O da bi o se ne ball bonti na o mo frɛ no. Wono Mbappe.
Na akofo frɛ ne sa no.
O kwa me ma ya you know.
Oh yeah,
Diadem guy.
Probably for go find time na nye too late. Kwaku?
Yeah.
Me ko edi na chese ne Ndi achire ja. Na listo okojo fojo se na ye.
Ene listo we be. Na kapo yi se me mpaboa na ye hyehye me look and say ona aya oyi.
Oh, okay.
Na
Obema come.
Oh yeah, me size
it we hey, say ya na do size to do.
Ebi ne kura.
Royal Diadem footwear.
Diadem.
Royal Diadem.
Jerry mame na marijuana si marijuana wo US.
Okay.
Me da na se pa nyame nhira no na bo hye na wo hye me so me hwere nim.
We da bra Jerry nine.
Me share 42 close.
Yeah, 43. Oh.
Where 42?
43.
43. Mpa boy e kama mu.
Na 42 close.
Eti fa ba na mere o se aya me ka se o design mam me di o empabo na oya mam ni na customize be di o nti NYE party ase
wan twu na mu a ebe pepadin no
o ni na me shirt sa se me obebi o a ni na kama se ya sa na
wa dreni ka no
kama enti abusuafo a mo hwe no on se Royal Diadem shoes ne on mo follow mo Instagram na mo hwe yan support local business ne sa no ofe oya mpabo na show so solid pa na dia fa ba ko na wa customer na atiefo hwe nti wo hwa on say Jerry Justice no na ewo we mu kama sa na dia nti no enti minua bon number na amanfo a omu hia bi because on sanu adwuma na efe so ati ase na yen support local business in kakra nti bon number na amanfo pe bi a omo contact why the enso betimi ya dia aboa wa no
0243 292 188 and that's 026 704 0529
patro san repeat bi why
02 9 your IG
nti o handle no
nyabotra bon se le to number na mfa microphone ni
ene obri wa boma ne
what's it
0243
0243
292
29
21
88
na 026
70 05 29
no na o share na enti Instagram so handle ne saying
Royal Diadem footwear.
Okay, all right. Enti abusua na mahwe na chi akwan na because omusa no nyuma efe kama pa o share out me say bia na mo be ona si twa Brighton kama pa na ade na efa na mo say bia ma obi pese bia o hwe mo chi akwan na ade
me ye ejumani free Chantan Pentecost.
Oh, okay. Chantan Pentecost. Oh, okay.
Pentecost. I'm in Pentecost ni share wo.
Oh, okay.
Chantan Pentecost.
You ene na tifo ana ma hwe mo chi akwan na yen support local businesses na ne ade na yen share boys in crime. Some of them are really doing well, and he's an example. Me free show mon pabo anache what I say, and me meet me adi hu dance actual. Me nchro fake. O show mon pabo out me say yeah, o feel good kama pa na ade na bibia nkoye. Jo it has so best try. Why? Abusua yemfa asedama ye proud sponsors na yen to adwumedi so Royal Drinks. I'll say you go like na we know Royal Apple, Royal Cooler, Royal Orange, as well as Royal Cocktail. Perfect flavors now here, no. So go on and feel the magic in your life. Or enjoy Royal Drinks in so many flavors. When you force on some kikawa natures, Ubinyeska. Well, Missika could do side be a fabric na, but it means some samity. Michelle program yase, means some work come on metitia. Entiwa nyame aka wakoma se pebi brem no mem primu akoma ma wakoma yede no African ubetumi asre me so ma keka me sa o de hu de be matitimi ama me so na ara ko we enso still aminya alert bia obi aso frame kan penifo so ana kan se onsam keka wa kire se ubinyeska na mama matitimi nsam sa ahwe mai abusia Open Royal Drinks no more power. Now our friend Casapreco Company Limited on 0262 351 251 and now 0272 133 373. Now a channel song say a 2 series 50 pesos now I just chilled one and I check out how fast they do from Go TV. Yeah, or say now on sweat me I enjoy a captivating moment. the ongoing Euro 2020 tournament wahu dear call any dear ben na pepepe enkodan channel La Liga, Serie A, Premier League ne other leagues na kanina no obetimi so I enjoy be on Go TV and also be connected from as low as 48 Ghana cedis so abroad using my Go TV app now so wahu dear call dear ben na Go TV love it and which nas dey you from in boost herbal mixture aka police nedru pa yes adura wunya bi na bar system no na my immune system no why den yare bia ba no ahead na we na ho den da bia na gusu gina na so sa pepepe enete ni nyina mu no yare bia hinta woni padua no ba bia eno aborum na akoye dirty works ni na clean system no mu na che se bibia ye kama e wo ni padua mu Kings Walk Herbal, Eco Seba, Widama Pharmacy, Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, alternative and dependable herbal shops, a Fair Health Alert Shop, here was St. John's, Okoa Binyabi, Ato, and a Little George Health Shop, and also a war Tema Community 5, ABO, phrase 0243 115 948, and a 0246 208 496. Now, the do be here beyond on Sa Etimiaka. Once again, let me remind you, say, nay. Say need me support local businesses. Said Mrs. Me Royal the item near the Ompa boy near the SHBI. Oh, they support local business and they MasterCard saying country so use MasterCard a baby to me burra. It is a local restaurant near the food joint in what me could do with MasterCard near there. What you say? Yes, what me support local businesses. No, we brought all dining local. Oh, Didi. So awaken your senses. Now take a big juicy bite and they. Office out doing me out doing what I say. What tasted the passion put into making unforgettable meals. Wabra, we share and support small businesses now or dining local. Because food is beyond what we eat. It's an experience. We'll go on and bring your taste buds to life with MasterCard and start something priceless. I know and what's I don't know. If you try hotel na ba ya can't na ya but before we do that, hey, shouts going out to you, Nana Asase. I hope say Bibia, you cool. And a happy birthday, though belated, Uncle Emma, Nana Asase, Neanko Bako, DCOP Dr. Samuel Utu Nyako, the medical superintendent at the Police Hospital. Or say, Ofa. Mama shout out. What's your offer? You who ain't shout pa na no we a generational lifeline and you will live long. I just say, be a bear fine. Ogri send me man shout out. Ogri what it. Okay, so quickly na yentraso enko yenim. I'll say good evening, Jerry. This is Kwabi and today is Gabriel Donko's birthday. He's at Dodowa Toll Booth, formerly at the Accra Toll Plaza, and I want to wish him long life, more money, good strength, and peace of mind from Kwabi. Nice. Now, Afe, we say so. I say good evening, my dearest brother. Kindly wish one of the hard-working ushers in my church, that's Full Gospel Church International, Shiloh Chapel, a happy birthday for me. Her name is Wilhelmina Akoto. I pray for God's favor to rest upon her life. May all her heart desires be fulfilled in Jesus' name. Greetings to my wife Marianne and my children K13 and Ohima Wefi Eye Pastor Matthew Elmat Nenchen. Abusha baby edu no said big kakan no. E be try ho na ye ba ya kan ba ko bi so ana. Okay, so I say happy birthday Yankoma Elizabeth Owusu aka Ya Lizzy, we are presbyter Presbyterian Church of Ghana Macedonia Congregation Mataheko here in Accra. Happy birthday to you. Nyame unsha na wanyo kese from Listowell Kujo Fojo. Ya ono so odin birthday enedai. Kwado nyame unsha pate. O kwado de. O probi o kwado little kwado Fojo the history pa ya home wate. Boy no nyame ehia no kai those days pa otema come to Allah wallahi. Nyamia. And a happy birthday also going out to Abigail Ashley, the kidney survivor of Perez Chapel of the print media depot. Nyame Onshaw na said was survive no. Koso survive the Abigail Ashley. Nyame Shaw. Nyame Nyanku wate. Ubeniache more. Ajwama gese men kan cho se odopa na Nyame Nkoso na Onshaw. Abusha, just a dip and then we're back.
UEFA Euro tournament na sambe biomo bosomi we and the Compute Ghana and this tournament you are bra ye the deals kesia bro and masa de we empa wo crown se wo pe brand beat se LG Samsung Tecno Infinix Vivo Nasco Media Biko Bluetech Senko HP Dell and Lenovo eye ni GSM nkwa agron nkwa achedie nkwa na deals bozin o mine mo baby a wo betimi akoye showrooms na wako choose brands bia wo pe na offers na ka wo ne de agya yo peking kan promo no every ekosi July 18th. Se open free delivery online dia. Enye hwehwe ekira kwan ewo www.computeghana.com. Ana WhatsApp 0243 143 143. Compute Ghana. Passion for technology. Jumia, they celebrate your everyday bro. Hey, me say 6 months near me mama enya phone fufro. No so woni me bia camera ne crash. Jumia did the 9th anniversary. Na de nyama sonko ena eba wa kwemu. Inti pe kwem bi fa so na fa spread obi. Jumia, your everyday delivered.
Maybe travel choir ko baby fufro bia eho ye de na eho joa ahom ka papa bi wom. Why a crado yanko? Afi kosa. Feni fa fa benku. Chawani hwe afa. Chakwan no pija wonsa. Yes. Na free yogurt rano. Bisano se oma o fun yogurt punchy peach fufro no bi. Na fe chia wano. Na tumu denyina. Sanche bio menjai. Kosa. Ma fun yogurt punchy peach fufro no a jojo wakoma. Emfa won kosa. Fun yogurt. So cool, so good. FDA aje edredi nkra to yatu.
Salute! Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow. Any offense wabe kaho.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and you're ready for Yadmusa Moya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the drawn one, the Imbusaba Mesa, Drodua dance say, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso, and Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing in no, a boy who buying every home. And now pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Moma who are deep in tea. Ya Omuntim Pose, Yaria Esomo, Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kaisi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to form friend 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jedi and Kratui Maja to Musay.
Love learning, you can love learning. Anywhere, anytime, you can start learning when you decide. Get the best you does to help your kids and brighten the future. Your lesson is the solution for easy learning, no complication. To love learning every day, download the app and learn for free with your lesson. You love learning, study for why and more exams on the go. Good lesson, you love learning, getting better, grades is easy, how when you go. Good lesson,
Download on the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Also available on web at ulesson.com.
Abraya Guswa din kabom ekwentia COVID-19 yi. Ecobank ma wa kwanya hodwa. Wo de betna fie. Abon ho ban na watumi du sikasem ahyewa wonsem. Fa Ecobank Mobile didra bebia ne abrebia. Se wo Ecobank account ana woni bie. For text message ana email so forma ne sika. To credit, tia wo bills. Abra wuti fie edwodwo ho. Se ye sika pudo na oni e didra. Fa ye internet banking no so. Ecobank QR code ma wo kwan ma wo fa abefu sikatua kwan so. Etua ne ma no dwumadi ahodoɔ ka womfa sika pɔtee entua. Twe EcoBank Mobile and ya wo Google Play Store, App Store, ana yɛn Facebook page, ana bo star 770 hash. Ewo phone biya so. Na chance ye didwa. EcoBank dwene ho. Kai sa wobɛma kwan ada wo ne afoforo ntem. Ɛyɛ ata ahohoro wo nsa. Ɛna afei, ɛmfa wo nsa nkeka w'anim.
Sa wo hia mmoa bia, for EcoBank Contact Center, ɛwɔ 0800-003225. A wo ntua hwee. Ana from ɛwɔ 0302-213-999. Abre bia de bia.
Tena fie na bo ho ban. EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank.
Opo, nada, where the Lotto ana?
Lotto wo he. Me boa me sika no akọ GRSCA. Na makotua me to. Ansa na da won no de be wie na dru.
Wo yo hoho a wo krom ha na. Enti wonnim sessesia, wo betumi atua wo to nyina. E wo abre a wo nkọ GR office ni mu bia.
Ei sa.
Ane, sesia de eye kokko kra. Wo betumi atua wo to nyina wo bank ana abefo kwan so a. Eye www.ghana.gov.gh. Ana bo star 222 hash ewo phone no so na din hihye no so
ena nka me to me shop no me pie no coffee fa phone no bra
tochia enya fusida nam abefu kwan so a www.ghana.gov.gh netia woto ene to awoji ewo niema wo kraba oman mu no ho ema Ghana Revenue Authority so pesa odi mobile money tia was star 222 hash ewo network bia so ye kono cashless amount GRA our taxes our future.
So what they may 3 in 1 power. Emma hunam yaw ni pepu ho no ankasa saint tata. Ibu kapwa paracetamol, cafe and ibuprofen romi and say na kabo mu pe ha. Sans kato yaw bia. Yaw ana malaria sanche ni bi yin ho adi wo ni padua mu asa. Eno an se obefa ibuka. Hunam be yaw kama ho to one time. Ibu kapwa ekra 3 in 1 power. To yaw bia. Say to one to one. Who Dr. Shalina Healthcare Limited Ghana. And ebo ibu kapwo de. FD ahwehwe say dwedin krato imaja to mu say ye.
Mokasa, Ghana kasa, Yasifo kasa, Enipa kasa, Ane Mokasa Jumadi Sronkwa Adom 106.3 FM Nipokia 101 concept, Eddie Brow, our Adom FM so. Shanu Susan Kopoya Adoma on the 18th July, Sieni on the 18th July, Ebesi Kwesiada, Ede Beshase, our Adom FM so. Iti Tamuchuku, Nashe ni Prada Bekasa, Namisumen Kasa, Neni Fambom, Nenya Gomze. Mokasa.
Gino Magic Pepperoni Tomato Mix. Gino Magic Pepper.
New Gino Magic Pepper and Onion is a delicious blend of tomato, pepper and onion. That means no grinding, no blending. Super Nedrian no abbing. And everyone loves it too.
And Kwaniya Dankasa.
This jollof eat the go on.
Mommy, I want more food. Me too.
Make delicious meals in no time with the new Gino Magic Pepper and Onion. The magic that brings them home. This advert is FDA approved.
Food is beyond just what we eat. It's about the love and passion put into making it. It's about the senses we awaken when we take that first sumptuous bite. It's an expression of passion that makes us feel alive. Let MasterCard take you on an adventurous journey into the colorful, tasteful, and visually appealing world of dining. Discover exclusive culinary offers and help support local business with MasterCard. MasterCard. Start something priceless.
Hi, folks. There are many things to love about Ghana.
I love my market.
Yes, Oyalo.
Hey, stop.
My paddy Ghana de John.
Football baby.
And now, there is one more. Your favorite Munchable shortcake is now made in Ghana. Ibiwana own. Munch into happiness. This advert is FDA approved.
Mom, please can I have some milk in my Milo? Have you tasted it? No. But I didn't see you add milk. Hey, taste it before you ask me any question. Hey, milk na chum say. This is Milo all in one. Milo Pampa, cocoa, malt, milk and show, everything is inside.
Milo All-in-One already comes with more milk. Just mix with water and taste the nourishing goodness of quality cocoa, malt, and more milk all in one sachet. Milo, the energy to go further. This advert is FDA approved.
Oje ko iswolo.
Inzina ololoto.
Minianacho. Oh, Marino, boss.
Say dear, one no pa Vodafone so aye de. Vodafone good morning bundle atede. Good morning bundle ma kwa ma ofre Vodafone number bia ope abrayento. Afeye sancho 5 minutes a ultimate friend network fufuro bia. So ya send 500 megabyte data. MP so ama. Send so say Vodafone good morning ye adwuma wo Vodafone bundle bia so. Kan ho na fresh short code 543 na dial *543 hash na fa ho jimu bi. One Ghana cedi. Now with them Vodafone good morning bundle so. And she say kakra down.
Vodafone. Together we can.
It's time to believe in you. We are changing, so should you. If you're dreaming, don't be afraid. And in the valleys, keep your head up high. Got to dream with Puma drinks. Puma. Yeah, believe it, you can achieve. Puma. Oh yeah, clap your hands for the whole new vibe. Make we set the place on fire. Oh yeah, come alive.
Puma drinks, a whole new vibe. Another quality product from Casa Precon.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Introducing new Super Yogo, a new fortified frozen yogurt from Fan Milk. Super Yogo contains vitamins and minerals good for your body and well-being, like vitamin B2 and B6, important for overall health and brain development, as well as assisting the body with energy production to keep you going all day long. And calcium for healthy bones and teeth, so you can go that extra mile with a smile. Enjoy natural goodness and nutrition with new Super Yogo, available either plain or an exciting lemon flavor. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Jumia, they celebrate your everyday bro. Hey, me say 6 months near me mama enya phone fufro. No so woni me bia camera ne crash. Jumia did the 9th anniversary. Na de nyama sonko na eba wa kwemu. Inti pe kwem bi fa so na fa spread obi. Jumia, your everyday delivered.
Say, Minia. Na ra ho sa
Kwame meni mebusia for amani hunu kese mu me bank edi me hwa mobio sisia na waka kire me se wo ma mebusia me pedi ri yen adwuma no bank kan na so ejinsu ho a eye twa me ne bo
nka wasa ka we kire me dada ma me come for Societe General Ghana ma o sa busia we wo beti no te se ma pe SG Ghana Bank nkunya na ma me ni ya etumi ahwe mo free school fees ho nsem asan bi ankasa adwuma kakra yi wa ye yen sika sem wo ahotoso e wa ho hi nyamre
no cre
se busia na ho hi ade a ene SG Ghana Bank Bribia, o mami si ho eja from bra. Esa yin mami bra, mi betua na mami ho ahen me. Etumi pokodu abosumi abusia. Minia, o fata bankia, o betumi agye die na wo do ho atoso. De be ma wasum adwowo. Societe General Ghana, any de ye pa wa sitini mu amane hu nyinam. De mabusia ye pa. Na ehun si hu so from bra. Koyen krabate dua na ye wo man yimu bia mu. Oji busi kasam homoa. Societe General Ghana, dat ni ye wankasa. Santo agbo bebe ye wakuta won sabosomi ne de to so dunsia. Afimpim ye no ne aduonu ba ko.
Hey, me network mafia me. I was sending mobile money. See me with our cash card. So charges some 380 cedis.
What's this? Can go charges no. Wait there, cement 10 bags so. Me niati. So we be move work of Vodafone cash and can we service ka bebre.
Vodafone cash. What's me network need there?
What's send this ka was our network no so no. Yet what's send this ka free with network no so. Akwa network for no. And no so yet name tia asem dead pa. What's send this ka Vodafone cash swap. Are free? What's send this free? Vodafone cash. I got network BR swap. And so you're free. It's work at them. What does so you done was sour network and no so move bra Vodafone cash says hey
masa you chip not to bola musisia.
I know say dear. What's send this ka Vodafone cash so I got network BR swap. Are you free? Send this ka do BR and prend do BR con network BR so free. Dial *110# says me send this ka.
Ofia Kwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adu 106.3 FM.
Like you know, person you ain't no person, you know they keep person. If you
you want no person, you no go first person, yo. I'm not the sick, you want give me medicine.
Out to Inspector Monica Welbeck Ajabing of Holy Gardens Police Station from the husband Mr. Norris Prosper Kofi Ajabing of NADMO headquarters and children Elikem and Aram. Okay. Something go do. Water go show. Thunder go do. Something go do. Something go do. Water go show. Something go do. Good evening, going out to you, Sofo SK. SK Apiade. Sofo na important is there. Okay. And to be an eye, so as you didn't know, say, I can say what to us. Vodafone 7 can show us all the good morning of Anaba. Yes. Now you can have an even greater morning with the Vodafone Good Morning offer. Now, so good morning offer here and abandon. It gives you unlimited calls to Vodafone numbers and then 5 minutes talk time to other networks plus 500 megabytes of data. You know what I'm saying? Rasta for me, 5,000. Yeah, we have 500. Now, this bundle works on any other bundle you have or will subscribe to. So just call the short code 543 or dial *543# to subscribe to the Vodafone Good Morning offer for only 1 Ghana cedi. Terms and conditions apply. Vodafone, together we can. KCV. KCV. I like this. I use don't why. Weeba. You wanna go be the me. Fire burn the enemy. Now I'm making the paper. We can't show Babylon fool. But you have to swallow it. Baby, why don't know? Every day, man, I just decide to holiday. We don't do it every day, but it's easy. We are one master. We are the master. Let's go around master. Kennedy Japan go master. Me a master. Me a master. For master, the Ghana pussy Trinidad. Master. You see the difference? We say I am born to lead. You are born to follow. I be mafia, yaro zongo. Me a the do the follow. Pepper them be the shit up. They be a for as a moon as a printer. I'm a babu. Are you my go-ego? I never know what I feel about Chico. Why you disrespect your master? When you Yeah, master. Yeah, master. I'm in trouble, said rather be Monday. Secretary General Crow, Master, not Bill Gates. A show me say, you're not hit a hot cake. I dream bonnie, who convex, I must say a concave. Yeah, so who keep a dream bonnie and you show us a pepe. You might come back home and come a draw dente. Could you have come fit a shit manche? I get baby a papa, G. Adventure. And I know crack on my bomb in China. Or show me your initiation. Now me to me, Shani Pasuna, where Jimmy Nafi on Nuka Crow, Obakumasia will be a master. 24 years, you got to come a pasta. We see a case with Yanka when you're banker. Nashasa Titi go near yes attacker.
More a day and Yamo dea, no more the Mupim Akofa, Muria no Munai. Now Chrono, Debiano Wafa, Dakro, Obakofa, dear Enfa. Papa, I don't know, Ebra, Obetrani, or Tranisa, Master, Sankro for me and Nusu. Almost chop Papa, just and Sunny Bar, no more question, no more cottons and on the Tiomuti, no more and say, and so forth to the fresh are needed. No more Bogma, Papa and Papa, dear Cacaros. And I did baby Debbie. Now, dear Papa, and he says, what to tell you, no, sir, as our 2 boys be that as I tell me, I don't want cottons and no one was okay. I go show them something. For master, it's Papa no coin on Udi can fast. I'm matching. We part nobody but oh, Fifi, no, when Yan and I know a poo poo. You could do baby, I been on and not turn was now or then Diana or poo poo. Or the fra and self funo and no side the sharp benassi master and no quarter room would need and Jebiana on usual time no sooner no by. I found first person fire or soon. Or person today. Or did you or body and now was it was I know back on the I don't know who the idea to a dear on mamma and what Danny man said, yeah, not done in home. I found me trained to a bonus. From that is in the one guy general mamma's money. Oh, my man, my dear. One papa na ezane dia npio no say hi eyampa nipa ina na wano no for continuation of the video no go Instagram my post video no was here at Jerry Justice on Instagram bekwa ko hunkrofo ya omo ya di check it out. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, on that note, it's checkout time already. Yeah, time to make way for the news at 6 here on Adom 106.3 FM. It's been nice coming your way with the midweek's edition of your own show, Fear Quanso, on Adom 106.3 FM. Let's do it again, same time tomorrow between 3 and 6 p.m., God willing. Until then, as I can say, come out, we'll say on air at night, and I did you on come producers, no, Papa Bills, African, Jamestown, J. Cole, to now say, I'm for J to come your boy, dear. I feel brave about Fenton friend. And you know, see, I can say, Bonus, I'm for J, you brave about Fenton from the Debray. Your friend, Jerry Justice. Yeah, look for me on Instagram at Jerry Justice, JERRYJUSTICE. Now check out our video. Microphone on one numbini.